Hi, I'm AJ Kalatanga and I'm the creator of Dream, Build, Inspire, Lead, and my new series Stop Working Smarter, where I teach cool young professionals like you how to become more valuable in your career. Now, if you're anything like me, when you first started out, you'll have these massive dreams of traveling the world and making $1 million before breakfast, and all of a sudden, these dreams just fizzled out. They disappeared as you got further into your career. And you're wondering, what goes on? What actually happened? Why aren't I traveling the world and making more money, and yet I'm working so long and I'm missing out on hanging out with my friends and my family and just people I want to spend time with, and you're becoming more frustrated. And yet all around you, you see other people who have got this dream lifestyle of yours, and they're making more money, they get the promotions, they get the raises, they get to travel, and they get the opportunities that you should be having in your career. So this happened to me in my career, and I was always wondering, what is the difference between these other people and me? How come they get all the opportunities and I don't? How come they get more money and I don't? And I stumbled on the secret, and the secret is, these people became more valuable in their career. And as soon as I worked that out, I really wanted to become valuable in my career. So I started studying, what do they do, what do they say, who do they talk to, how does a person become more valuable in their career, right? And it's not what you think. So what I've done here is I've created a special training course that I'm going to give to you for free if you enter in your email address and your name, and I'm going to teach you how to become valuable in your career. And there's three main things I want you to get across in this free training series. The first one is, have you ever heard that saying, the harder I work, the luckier I get? Now, when I first heard that, that was complete crap, because I was working very hard, I didn't feel lucky. And now I speak to cool young professionals around the world, and they all say the same thing. I ask them the same thing. I say, do you feel lucky when you work hard? And everyone says no, right? And this thing bugged me, because how did this become a famous saying? And as I delved into the research a bit more on how to become more valuable in your career, it all actually came back to that one saying, the harder I work, the luckier I get. But I realized there's actually a missing piece of information from that saying. And when you find out what this missing piece of information is, your career is going to skyrocket, right? Once you learn it, your career will skyrocket. So in the first video, I'm going to teach you what that missing piece of information is. And here's a tip. It's actually not what you think. It's not learning more skills that'll help you become more valuable, right? It's not that. So I'm going to teach you that in the first video. In the second video, I'm actually going to teach you my motto. It's 4 little words that have changed my life, and it's dream, build, inspire, lead. And when I combined this dream, build, inspire, lead philosophy with the missing piece of information from the first video, my career just skyrocketed like the space shuttle. Boom! It just launched, right? And it was phenomenal. So that's what I'm going to teach you in the second video. The third video, I'm going to teach you how to ask more powerful questions. And I kid you not, this sounds a little bit weird, but I kid you not, this is my most powerful strategy for overcoming the bad times in my life. Because let's face it, right? Life has ups and it has downs. And to be successful and become more valuable in your career, you have to be perfect when you're at the top, and you have to learn how to deal with the stuff when you're down low too. So I'm going to teach you my best strategy, how to ask powerful questions. And hopefully, if you combine the missing piece of information with dream, build, inspire, lead, and ask more powerful questions, boom, it's all going to come together and launch your career like the space shuttle, and you will become more valuable in your career if you use what I say. So to get access to this free training, all you need to do is enter in your name and email address on this page, and I'll see you on the other side.